Hey guys, you're welcome back to another episode of Oyoyo Ndoki's Kitchen. On today's recipe, I'll be making this mouth-watering, delicious Ikoko, well enjoyed in the southeast of Nigeria and as well as south. So stay tuned to find out all the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe, and we do thank you for watching our video today. For our delicious Ikoko, which is popularly known in Arochukwu of Abia State, we are going to be using all these ingredients, and the list will be in the description box. This delicacy is also known in our Akwa Ibom area of Nigeria, and in Cameroon is called Ekwang in Cameroon, and in Akwa Ibom is called Ekpang Nkukwo. So guys, stay tuned to find out how we make this delicacy, and we do thank you for watching our video today. So guys, for our Ikoko, we are going to be making the sauce. So I'll be using vegetable oil. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. Then we'll be frying the onions. You guys know I like to saute my onions, so I'm gonna saute this for about 2 minutes before we add the tomatoes and the pepper. So guys, you can see my onions is well sauteed. Or Yo-Yo likes to saute her onions. I'll be adding the tomatoes and scotch bonnet pepper, just half of it, because I don't want it to be overly spicy. So we are going to allow this to cook until dry. All right, so I'm going to cut the water yam, and you can also use cocoyam for this recipe, or you can mix cocoyam with water yam for this recipe. So you can see our tomato is looking good. At this point, we are going to add the crayfish. You stir nicely to combine. And then we are going to add the chicken. I'm using chicken breast for this recipe because it's easy to cook and also less fat. So it's all cut in cubes. You stir nicely to combine. So I'm going to add a pinch of salt, and I'll be cooking this with shrimp seasoning. You mix to combine. I'm gonna steam it for a little while before I add water. All right, so our chicken and the tomato paste has been cooking for a few minutes. Now I'm going to add water. Then we are going to allow this to cook. Guys, you can see the sauce is cooking nicely. At this point, I'm going to add the shrimp. It's completely washed and deveined. You can put any protein of your choice, but I love to add shrimp because my kids love to eat shrimp a lot. So you stir and combine and allow to cook for 2 minutes. This is the water yam, all sliced nicely. I'll be using food processor to blend it, but in case you don't have food processor, you don't have to worry. You can just use the grater to blend it. So now I'm going to get the yam in the food processor, and then we are going to give it a thorough blend. So guys, right now I'm going to add our cooked dry fish into our tomato sauce. This is fully cooked. So make sure you wash your fish thoroughly to avoid sand in the meal. Now you stir nicely to combine and allow to incorporate. So guys, now we are going to prepare the Ikoko, and we have our yam ready. We have vegetable ready. I'll be leaving the list of the vegetable I'm using for this recipe. You can use any vegetable of your choice, spinach, ugu leaves if you can find it, and any other vegetable you want, scent leaf, whichever your preference is. So now I have red oil here, and I'm going to put in a little to grease my pot. If you can see now, my pot is well greased. I'm gonna set it aside. Now it's going to be to wrap the water yam. And I'll be using a scoop to make it easy. Once you wrap, you add to the pot. You cover gently and continue to wrap, and then straight to the pot. So I'm going to repeat this process until we are done. So guys, you can see our Ikoko is ready. We are now going to add our tomato sauce with some protein we made the sauce with, and then continue to cook. So we are going to add all the sauce inside. We have some shrimp, some chicken breast, and also some dry fish with crayfish, tomatoes, and seasoning cube. To allow it to cook, there is no need to stir. Just cover to cook. So guys, you can see our food is ready. Oh yes, I've turned off my heat now and I'm going to plate it. I do thank you guys for watching our video today. This is local delicacy, well enjoyed in Nkukwo of Abia State and also enjoyed in our Akwa Ibom. Now likewise, they enjoyed this recipe in Cameroon. Thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe, leave your host a thumbs up and nice comment. Thank you guys. This is our final product. You can see it looks so delicious and well cooked with some choice protein. This is richly enjoyed in Nkukwo, Abia State, and also the southern part of Nigeria, the Akwa Ibom, the Cross Rivers, and also they enjoy this meal in Cameroon. I do advise you give it a try, and that will convince you. I totally enjoy making this meal, and I tell you, at the time I'm filming this, I've already eaten some good portion myself. Thank you guys for watching my video today, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and give your girl some thumbs up and leave us some nice comment. Thank you guys.